Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to increase WhatsApp media size. Now what media size is, let's say like video or pictures. So if you are sending videos or pictures to somebody and you want to increase the size, this is what you need to enable. This is the setting that you need to enable. Click on this three dotted area and you go to your settings, and then you go to the media settings, which is storage and data. Now you are going to notice where it says media upload quality. Currently is set to standard quality, so on default it's going to leave it on standard quality. Now you are going to do this HD, which is high quality. So when you have this high quality, if it's sending, it's going to send in a higher quality. So you click on save to have this set up, and then anytime you send a media, it's going to send it in a higher quality, but it's not going to send it in an exact size, especially if the media is too large. So this is actually going to be a better quality than the default one. But then if you want to send an image to be the original size, consider watching my previous videos in order for you to send images with the original size. So see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.